Today I will tell you how to install the virtual machine VMware 17 for all operating system. Sometimes you guys install VMware 17 in your laptop, but you want to install Mac operating system, but it didn't work. So I will tell you how to uh, patch this VMware 17 for all operating system. So let's go. First of all, we have to make a folder on your desktop for setup. Okay, this is this desktop and this is VMware setup. I already made the folder. So now go to the official, download the VMware 17 setup from official website. We have to go to this website. Let's copy it. This is the official website for VMware Workstation Player. Don't download from any other source. Always try to download from their official website. This is the try workstation 17 player for Windows. This is for Linux. So download from here. If you will click here, it will download. Okay, I already downloaded in my folder from the same website. This is approximately 0.5 GB. So now I downloaded the setup. Now we have to download the unlocker for installing all OS in VMware 17. To install all operating system or virtual machine, we have to unlock the VMware for all operating system. For that, we need to download a file from this website. So let's download this. We have to go to Google Chrome, paste it. Okay, this is the website where we can download Unlocker 3.0.5. So we have to download this, the release python embedded.zip file. Always download this zip file. Click. Now we have to make a folder here. Write the name Unlocker. Click on this folder and save this file. Okay, now we downloaded this setup and unlocker file. Okay, this is the zip file, so we have to extract this file here. So we need to extract here. Okay, we already extracted the file. Okay, now let's go for setup. Now we are going to install the setup. First of all, we have to click on this setup. Yes. It will take some time. Okay, next. This is the latest version of VMware Workstation 17. Next, enhanced keyboard driver, no need add VMware Workstation tool in system path. Next, you can install anywhere where you want. I am going to install on C drive. If you want to change the drive, you can change from here. Okay, click on next. Check for product update. If you want to check regularly update, you can click here. Join the VMware for uncheck this. Next, you want to create folder desktop shortcut. Next, now install. So we have to wait some time for this installation. Okay, we already installed the VMware in our laptop or computer. Now don't click on finish. Now minimize this window. We have to go here, unlocker. So why we are going to install this? It means if we want to install the Mac or iPhone operating system in our virtual machine, we can install. Without unlocker we cannot install that system. Let's check. VMware. Okay, I already installed in my laptop. Now let's check. This is the VMware 17. If you want to install an operating system in this VMware, you have to click create. If you have ISO file, I will tell you later how to install the macOS system in your VMware 17. So I will install the operating system later. I just want to show which operating system we can install. Here you can see you can install Microsoft Windows like 7, 8, 10, 11, Linux system, others. So we cannot find here an iPhone or Mac operating system. So for that we have to unlock the VMware. Okay, if you click Microsoft window, you can install these type of windows. Okay, if you click on Linux system, you can install these type of system, operating system. In other, you can install MS DOS. There are many, but for Mac operating system and for iPhone setting like Apple operating system, you have to unlock the VMware. So for that, just uh, minimize this or just close this. We have to go unlock folder and we have to find win install this file. You have to double click on this. It's taking time. Maybe we have to open run as administration. Yes, now you can see that this is already patched. How to open? Click on it, run as administrator. Click on. You can see this is already patched. Okay, this is patched. Now your VMware is patched. So let's go to VMware machine, open it. Now let's check we can install Mac operating system or not. Next, now you can see you can install Apple Mac operating system. Okay, now we have different option like Mac OS 14, OS 13, 20, 10, Mac OS 10.7. like you can install between 10.5 to 14 Mac operating system. In next video I will tell how to install the Apple Mac operating system on your virtual machine. Okay, for this today we learn how to install the VMware and we learn how to unlock the VMware for our Mac operating system. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for next video.